Introducing my Chevy Astro high-top conversion van. Limited edition. It has leather seats with electric adjusters, insulated center compartment for cold or hot food and drinks. The rear hatch and Dutch doors open out to a superb compact kitchen. The kitchen doors fold down to make worktops, and there's a 12-volt refrigerator. There's a gas stove, drawers for cutlery and utensils, etc. A set of pans and a kettle, and a storage container for food items. The kitchen can be configured in many ways as needed. A 5-gallon water tank and an electric pump provide running water to the stainless steel sink, along with a water filter which provides clean drinking water. The fridge and other accessories are powered by an auxiliary battery. Inside this luxury van is a gorgeous leather sofa with seat belts for 3 people. Opposite the sofa are 2 storage boxes with fold-down doors allowing access to containers for clothing and supplies, all made from high-quality sustainable hardwood. But wait, this is more than just a comfortable living room. With the press of a button, the sofa is transformed into a very comfortable bed. Extensions pull out from the storage boxes to support the memory foam mattresses, creating a super comfy bed for 1 or 2 people. Lay in bed and see the stars through the skylight, which also opens for ventilation. Even with the bed made, there's still easy access to the storage containers, and the mattress covers are removable for easy cleaning. The mattresses can be configured in several ways, such as lounging opposite the sliding door to take in the view. The inside doors of the kitchen fold down, and there's access to the refrigerator and to the stove and pans, etc. With all the kitchen in easy reach, you can use the sink, get drinking water, and cook your breakfast right there in bed. Fold the mattresses back on top of the boxes, and with the press of a button, the bed turns back into a sofa. The mattresses can be folded up to make into 2 seats. And with the table in position, there's a booth-style seating area for 4 or 5 people. Have drinks or play a game of cards with 3 of your best friends. Impress them with the luxury wood trim interior, blinds on all the windows for privacy, the TV, VCR, game console, and connections for headphones. At night, light up the interior with sparkling trim lighting and individual spotlights for reading, etc. This superb conversion van is all ready to rock and roll. Hit the road and go exploring, knowing you have all the comforts of home traveling along with you.